What's up, kids? In this vlog we're gonna get gas and then I'm gonna talk about nothing during the rest of the vlog. Enjoy! Good morning, everyone. This is Moto Noir. How's everyone doing? Today is a little bit of a sleepy morning. Sleepy, sleepy, sleepy. Heading into work. And man, I did not sleep well last night. Jeez Louise. Gotta get to bed earlier. Try to. Alright, come on, peeps. Come on, peeps. What are we doing? What are we doing here? Alright, just get in front. Jeez. Okay. Alright. I don't do well sitting around and waiting, do I? Not at all. Good old Astoria. I will miss Astoria. It's just that I live in way far out Astoria, you know? Oh well. At least I could say I lived here for a little bit. Impatient. Alright, my favorite move to make, right there. Traffic has been atrocious recently. Something going on at the UN in Manhattan. And anytime there's something going on at the UN, the traffic, just in and around the city just gets freaking crazy, man. Crazy. Oh, well, let's just get into the mix here. Are we all just gonna wait around on nothing here? Alright. A little bit of clean air. Just want to get ahead of this guy. We'll also get around this truck. Oh, there's two trucks. Well, maybe we'll still pull a move. Might as well. Alright, good. Getting stuck behind those guys was not an option. Not an option. Dude, I love this bike. The Triumph Street Triple, man, it's something special. And I have the R version, which is technically like the more budget option. It's a fantastic bike. Freaking great, man. And I know I love it because it's my bike. And if I had the RS, I'd be singing its praises. But for the 10 extra horsepower, or I don't even know if it's 10 extra horsepower, to be honest with you, and the Öhlins rear suspension, and a TFT display, and a slightly upgraded Brembo, I don't know, man. VR might be budget, but it's freaking fantastic. R stands for RAD. And I guess the RS means rad shit. I got jokes. I'll be here all day. Okay, I guess we'll just stop toying with people. The policemen have been really active recently, pulling over cars and bikes. Normally they set up roadblocks or road motorcycle checkpoints all over the city, and they have been out in force. But the weird thing is that they're checking cars too. Okay, let's see. What's the fastest route? Right here. Well, I guess everything's faster now. Okay. Alright. Okay. Settle down. Take it easy. Take it easy. I just need to squeeze. Frick. Okay. Well, I chose wrong. Come on. See, up here it gets less tight. And I can lane split a lot easier up here. Go for it, dude. Oh, shit. That was a poor decision on that woman's part. That was nearly a crash. Not for me, but for her. Okay, let's get out of this shit. And this car is taking up all the space. Alright, thanks a lot. I hate having to do this for so long in the morning. It's not what I like to do in the morning. I'd much rather have just like a nice little cruise into work. But no, I live in a city with 9 million people. So, cruising into work sometimes is not an option. I like doing the cruise Saturday mornings. Ooh, and on a Sunday morning, oh, it's brilliant. It's so nice. Very little cars early in the mornings on Saturdays and Sundays. So you see, I just kind of respectfully do my own thing. I'm not revving, bombing anyone, not honking my horn. I'm just doing my thing. Very kind of, I don't even know how fast I'm going. 18 to 20 miles per hour, I guess. So, easy. Just taking it easy. That's all I'm looking to do. Here's a police officer. Let's see if I can sneak by him. Yep, okay. There we go. There we go. Okay. What are you doing? Get out of my way. Get out of my way. Alright. So here I am saying I'm doing things respectfully, and then I get disrespectful. Okay. I need to settle down. Cool it, cool it, cool it. Hey, don't you do that. Naughty, naughty. Okay. Let's see where we're at. Yep, lots of traffic. Awesome. You know, you gotta love it. This is a vlog about nothing. I kind of like these vlogs though. It's just me doing my thing, minding my business. At least now I can be respectful again. Cover my horn. Thank you. Alright. Gonna sneak through here, brother. Thank you. Howdy, partner. Enjoy that cigarette. Yeah, dude, lane splitting for super long sucks. Freaking sucks. Can't stand this. Just because you really have to focus in. You have to pay attention to all the things that are going on around you. Watching out for danger, watching out for police. Making sure you don't clip people's mirrors and shit like that. Should I exit? I don't know. We could go local. We could go local. Let's go local. Okay. Let's go local. How far can we get up here? Let's squeeze these in. Alright, there we go. A little tight, a little tight. And I don't think I can get through there without bashing something. Yeah, I think I made the right choice. Because I need gasoline. I need gas. Oh, lean. Good. Excusez-moi. Excusez. 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 Excuse you. God bless you. Alright. Ugh. I just killed a little bug. Oh my god, I saw this guy just the other day. Squeezing me out, bro. Not nice. Not nice. Don't squeeze me out, bro. Alright, I'm gonna stop and get some gas. Yeah, this has been a real one, huh? A real vlog. Yeah, we don't have to end it. We can do a stop and getting gas scenario. Excuse me. Thank you. Alright, I'm gonna put this at the beginning of the video. Okay, should I bomb the highway? Just like a really quick rip? Skip all this? Take local? Oh, bomb the highway. Here we go. Hopefully these people will get out of the way. Merge in. Get out of my way. Because I just want a quick little rip. Merge in. There you go. Well, this guy was in my way. Oh well. At least I was quicker than if I had taken the local roads. Get around these guys. Good. Great. Grand. Alright, kids. We might as well just end this vlog, I think. Alright. Love you guys. I'll see you guys in the next vlog.